I would tell people it's normal to have expectations, and in a way, this film is also about the expectations that people normally have. Sometimes things go far beyond those expectations or fall far short of them, and that is what life is about. So try as much as you can not to expect things in life. Go with the flow, take things as it comes.
हम तो ये चाहेंगे कि हर फिल्म जो है अच्छी फिल्म हो, अगर एक अच्छी कहानी बोलती हो वो फिल्म, कोई भी फिल्म हो, ओके, उसको अच्छा करना चाहिए, ठीक है। तो जहाँ तक मेरा एक्सपेक्टेशन है यही है कि लोग जाके थिएटर में देखें पिक्चर, क्योंकि पायरेटेड डीवीडी या सीडी देखने से हम वी आर नॉट ओनली हम जो सिनेमा प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं और सिनेमा हाउस है उनका बिजनेस खराब कर रहे हैं, बट इफ यू ऑल नो दैट द पायरेटेड डीवीडीज एंड सीडी मनी गोज इनटू टेररिज्म.
It is one of the most important films in my career and of my life, because I had always been a huge fan of Lara, and to finally be able to work with her, do scenes with her. Most of our scenes are together. Spend so much screen time with her, play off of her, learn with her, and interact with her as two different characters. It had been a wonderful journey for me as an actor.
It was a great experience. I think it was a dream project, I would say, because when Shashank came to me, I loved the script, and he went to Lara to ask her to play the lead role in this, but she loved the script and she wanted to produce it, and Mahesh also loved the script. So you can imagine we all loved the script, and it fell so beautifully that we didn't know when it started. I mean, it really felt like the dates went well, everything went well.
My character in Chalo Dilli is of Mihika Banerjee. Mihika Banerjee is a very urban, sophisticated, educated woman who's at the top rung of her corporate world. She's the senior vice president of her company. She's somebody who's very hardworking.
अगर आपने दर्शकों को एंटरटेन किया, छोटी फिल्म, बड़ी फिल्म, अच्छी फिल्म, जो भी तो आपने अपना काम कर लिया. और मुझे नहीं लगता कि एक आइटम सॉन्ग या कुछ एक स्पेशल आइटम से आप लोगों को अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो, क्योंकि लोग हमेशा से बहुत ही दे आर वेरी अवेयर. वो हमेशा वॉट एवर फिल्म दे हैव लाइक्ड, जो लोगों ने सिलेक्ट किया है वो यूनिवर्सल हिट ही रहा है. तो जब इतने लोगों को पसंद आता है तो उसमें कुछ बात तो होगी. सो इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट एन आइटम सॉन्ग और आइटम डायलॉग और अ कैमियो और समथिंग. इट इज़ ओनली अबाउट द स्टोरी एंड हाउ वेल इट इज टोल्ड.
This movie required also an item song because Munni has started this track that item song is required. I had made earlier Toonpur Ka Superhero, so everybody was asking the same question कि item song इसमें है, because it didn't require, we didn't put that in that movie. So in this movie we needed the item number, so we thought Laila is the best in this one.
The song in the film is not put in because the situation was created specifically just so that we could have a song put in. The song is a very important turning point in the film. The opportunity presented itself within the story of the film, where we could make use of getting a very rocking song like Laila Main Laila and remix it to make it new and fresh. I think that is the USP of the film as well. It came to us as a script that allowed us, that the characters were so well defined that it was very easy for Vinay and me to portray these characters very easily on screen, because our writer Arshad Syed had really developed these characters really well.